The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued a special military operation in Ukraine on Monday, 13th June 2022. High-precision air-based missiles near Udakhnoi railway station in Donetsk People's Republic have destroyed a large number of weapons and military equipment delivered to a group of Ukrainian nationalists, including from United States and European countries. In addition, temporary foreign mercenaries deployed site near Fedorovka, Lugansk People's Republic, and 2 batteries of multiple rocket launcher near Progress, Kharkov region, and Volodyrivka, Lugansk People's Republic have been destroyed. Operational, tactical, and army aviation have hit 1 command post, 1 radar station of BUKMI anti-aircraft missile system near Lysychansk, Luhansk People's Republic, as well as 36 areas of Air Forces of Ukraine manpower and military equipment concentration. The attack has resulted in elimination of more than 120 nationalists, 2 tanks, 5 field artillery mounts, and 11 special vehicles.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missiles near Udachna railway station in Donetsk People's Republic have destroyed a large number of weapons and military equipment delivered to a group of Ukrainian nationalists, including from the USA and European countries. In addition, temporary foreign mercenary deployment site near Fedorovka, Lugansk People's Republic, and 2 batteries of multiple rocket launchers near Progress, Kharkov region, and Volodyarovka, Lugansk People's Republic have been destroyed. Operational, tactical, and army aviation have hit 1 command post, 1 radar station of Bukem-1 anti-aircraft missile system near Lysychansk, Lugansk People's Republic, as well as 63 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 120 nationalists, 2 tanks, 7 field artillery mounts, and 11 special vehicles.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.